really briefly to comment about the so-called educated ones who think they're educated and have gone to court. I have said they remind me of a famous quote of a great philosopher which says that the illiterate of the 21st century will not be ones who cannot read and write, but ones who cannot learn, relearn and unlearn. Simply because I believe that as you go to school, as you get educated, you're supposed to receive information. As you study the so-called human rights, you're supposed to see what is applicable or applicable to the society you come from. So for me, if you tell me you're educated, yet you're not able to receive information that you get from education, I think that I can simply term you an educated illiterate.
Why do you think there is too much prevalence of HIV in these guys? These guys are saying there is donation, but related to HIV. In your opinion, as a doctor, in your opinion?
Medically, among the leading predisposing factors or risk factors to HIV/AIDS is the act of homosexuality, because it easily exposes you to this kind of disease, including other infections, by the way, especially if it is man to man. Yeah, so it has been proven scientifically that the prevalence of HIV/AIDS among the homosexuals is very high. So as they talk about everything, you look at the other effects that it causes, including what we call bowel prolapse or incontinence, rather bowel incontinence as well. So you find all those adverse effects, the psychological torture you get, the stigma. So all that is not talked about by the so-called holders of human rights who think that those are about human rights. So for me, I think that we should stand firmly as young people and as the educated people, actually, or students, to fight for what we want, because it is us to live longer on this continent and it is ours. I thank you.
yagisobora netambadesaga badirekere Museveni yagisobora kona mama kona mama chidongo abali bagala Uganda okujedusa badirekere Biden yagisobora kona mama saga badirekere Museveni yagisobora oh Uganda may God uphold thee. We our future. We have spoken. We are the voices. 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 We have spoken. We are the
go through the checking process, then we shall go up there. We shall do this. Are we okay? Thanks for coming. I'm going for now. Thank you.
Frank. I once again want to congratulate you as the young people of this country, as the young people of this great nation, as the young people of this continent, for standing up firm.
Yes.
It is written now in the walls of history that you have stood firm.
Yes.
Today,
Yes.
we come here to appreciate,
Yes.
to celebrate our leaders
Yes.
who have stood firm.
Yes.
And among those leaders,
Yes.
is Honorable Basalirwa. Among those leaders is our mother, who has been so firm, so firm to the grip when it comes to this. And that is none other than the Right Honorable Speaker of this Parliament, Honorable Anita Mungo, Right Honorable Speaker of Twagala. And above all, why we are here is because the Fountain of Honor took it very fit to sign this bill into law. The President, But we have found a very vital member of Parliament who stood firm and moved this motion. And today we are going to hand over a message of appreciation to him. And he will speak to us briefly. So we are going to hand in this message to him to receive it on his behalf and on behalf of these other leaders. We are really so grateful, Honorable Member of Parliament, Honorable Bavudeyo Municipality are more than proud of you. Thank you so much. Very proud.
Maxon Muwezi. I'm one of the members that organized today's event. We are calling it a celebration. But allow me, before I hand in this document to the Honorable Basari, to say that we are exceedingly humbled and beyond grateful as a young generation. We are also happy that you have collectively, you and the Speaker, the President, and all arms of government stood firm to defend the values, norms of this society and continent. Kindly extend this appreciation to the Speaker of Parliament. We wanted to say hi and also give her flowers. Unfortunately, we are told she's not around. But allow me deliver this document. Tell her that the whole country, the entire faction of the youth, the young generation, the leaders, the religious community, and everybody is behind her. We appreciate her for not getting intimidated by isolated and shallow-minded colonials. We also appreciate the President for being firm and signing this into law.
Uganda oye! Sovereignty oye! Ra! Colleagues, first of all, you don't know how excited I am over this gesture. I am sure I share that excitement with the Right Honorable Speaker of Uganda. I share that excitement with all members of Parliament. I share that excitement with the President of Uganda. I share that excitement with all the people of Uganda. People said we were alone, okay? When we got this idea, people thought it was all about Basalirwa, it was all about Anita Mong. You are disproving that assertion. You are coming here is a manifestation that this law is a Ugandan law. That this law is about the people of Uganda. That this law is about our sovereignty. So if you want to cancel visas, cancel visas of all Ugandans. There is no need of isolating anybody. And if you say you are a philanthropist, that you are there to give goods to people, don't put conditions on them. We all give, but we don't put conditions. Who are these people who are putting conditions on their aid? Who are they? We were in this country, Europeans and Americans died in bigger numbers than us. We will survive by the grace of God. So we want to thank you for expressing this solidarity to us. When we get threats of visa cuts, travel bans and the rest, and you Ugandans come out and say for us we are there for you, this enough is satisfaction. With your support, with this solidarity, we will be in this country. And we will not go anywhere. I want to make this appeal to you. Please find the time, read this law, understand it, internalize it, and explain it to the others. I have seen a lot of ignorance, especially from the Western media, as far as this law is concerned, that it is going to undermine the fight against AIDS. Where? Ask them to show you just one clause in this law where the fight against AIDS is going to be undermined. Just deliberate distortion. They are even saying that since the law was enacted, there has been violence against LGBTs. Where is the violence? And where are they? Where are they? We want to ask that if they want to understand the law, let them call the experts. We are here to explain that law. That law is just like another law. There is no problem with it. It is intended to protect young people like you. It is intended to protect old people, by the way, because in that law, it is an offense for you to engage in homosexual acts with a 75-year-old and above. So it is even intended to protect the old people, the disabled, the young people. So how can somebody say we are doing wrong to protect vulnerable people? So I want to request, that let's stand together, read the law, understand it, explain it, so that we are at par. Finally, I am going to convey this message of appreciation to the Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament, attending a breakfast meeting with other speakers across the East African region. It is the only reason why she is not here. I'm going to request her to find time to meet the young people over this matter. That is the request I am going to take. I want to ensure that your contacts are here.
those who will be contacted, and when that time comes, her team, protocol team will contact you, and a delegation from the young people will be able to come and meet her and convey this message. Because for me, I'm just an agent. But as you know, I may not be able to convey the message the way you would have done so. So the commitment I want to give you is that I will convey your message to you with the request that she finds time from her busy schedule to come and meet all the young people over this matter. But we want to thank you so much. And I want this effort not to end here. It should not end here. We should find the time and go to the American embassy. And tell them, please respect us. What we only demand from them is just respect. Just respect. There are things we do here which you cannot do in their countries. I've been challenging them. For example, polygamy is a crime in Europe. Here it is acceptable. Have we closed their embassies because they stop people from practicing polygamy? No. They are saying adults are free to consent. Can they have sex with their parents? Can you say because I am an adult, it is my right, I consent? Can you now use that argument to go and have sex with your daughter, with your mother, with your father? Very lame and lazy arguments. So I want to request that this kind of solidarity should be exhibited. It should not end here, but as Parliament, we are very grateful. I think what you are doing is a demonstration that what we did was a reflection of the thinking of the people of Uganda. It's not about going to impose a lifestyle on us. Because there's a difference between life and lifestyle. Homosexuality is a matter of lifestyle. It is not life. And we want that to be very clear. So don't impose lifestyle on us. So we want to request that this message should go on. We should engage other people. But whatever we do, let us be peaceful, let us be law-abiding. We should never be misunderstood. If you are going to make an engagement, make sure we do it through the due processes of the law, so that at the end of the day, we are not misunderstood. And be very careful with the people who may want to be part of you with the objective of trying to distort and also undermine and blackmail us. So discipline is very paramount in these processes. Being law-abiding is very paramount in these processes. And I am very sure once we achieve that, then everybody will know that we were over a just cause. Is that understandable? Makerere oye. All universities oye. Chambogo oye. KIU oye. University oye. Okusookera ddala tuli basanyufu nnyo era tuli basiimu nti abavubuka era emisaayi emito olwaleero basazeewo ne beekolamu omulimo ne beekunga ne bajja wano ku palamenti okulaga obumatifu eri ababaka ba palamenti olw'okuyisa etteeka eriwera ebisiyaga mu Uganda. Abavubuka kye bakoze olwaleero kikakasa bukakasa nti enteekateeka ey'okuyisa etteeka eno yali etuukiridde era esaanidde, nti era ekyakolebwa ku olwo bye birowoozo bya bannayuganda. N'olwekyo abaali balowooza nti lino etteeka lyabasaalirwa oba lya Mwami Museveni oba lya Right Honorable Anita Amongo, olwaleero abavubuka bakimenyeewo. Abavubuka bavudde mu universities ez'enjawulo, bavudde mu bitundu bya Uganda eby'enjawulo, ekiragira ddala nti baleese wano amaloboozi g'abannayuganda bonna. N'abo abagezaako okututeekako obukwakulizo bakimanye nti eno ensonga ya bannayuganda. Tosobola keera ku makya n'ogamba nti visa y'oli ogisazizzaamu. Bw'oba oyagala kwogera ku visa, sazaamu visa z'abannayuganda bonna, kuba lino etteeka lyaleetebwa ku lwa bannayuganda. Abavubuka njagala kubeebaza ekikolwa kye bakoze kiragidde ddala nti situli bamulekwa fe abaakola enteekateeka eno. Situli bamulekwa, tuyina abatuwagira, tuyina abatuli emabega era nga be bannayuganda. Ate ensonga bwedda mu bavubuka kitegeereza ddala nti eyo ensonga ya mulamwa. N'olwekyo obubaka bwe baleese okwanjula buwagizi bwe batulaze olwaleero tebukoma wano. Batambule bagende basisinkane n'abakulembeze ab'amawanga abakiikirirwa wano mu Uganda babategeeze babasabe ekintu kimu bagezeeko okutusaamu ekitiibwa nga bannayuganda. Kyokka kye tubasaba waliwo ebintu bye bakola ewaabwe wano ewaffe nga kivve. Kakati tosobola kutusibako nkolayo oba mpisayo n'ogamba nti kakati gwe beerawo beera ngaffe. Nedda, nga bwe tubawa ekitiibwa bwe tusaba nabo batuwe ekitiibwa. N'olwekyo njagala kubasaba nti obubaka buno bwe muleese wano olwaleero tebukoma wano, mutuukirire n'abalala. Era njagala bakubiriza nti bino byonna nga mubikola mubeere ba mirembe era mukuume eddembe. Abataagala tteeka lino bayinza okubeegattamu ne bakola effujo ng'ebigendererwa byagezaako gamba nti twabagamba, kuba olede waliwo propaganda etambula nti okuva etteeka lino okuyisibwa nti abasiyazi babadde batulugunyizibwa. Twagala kubuuza baliwa, ani gwe batulugunyizza? So ekyo bakikola kagenderere mu nteekateeka eyo. Njagala na basaba mwe abavubuka abali wano olwaleero mutwale obuvunaanyizibwa, etteeka mulifune, mulyetegereze, mulisome, mulinnyonnyole. Naddala bamaama baffe abali eyo, bataata baffe abali eyo n'abantu abalala, mwe mulina obuvunaanyizibwa ate mulina omukisa nti musomye. Etteeka liri mu Luzungu, waliwo abatategeera Luzungu naye mwe munaalisoma ne mulitegeera mujja kulinnyonnyola abantu baffe, mulinnyonnyole. Lwaki mbasaba okulinnyonnyola abantu? Bonna beezize ndaba abakubaganya ebirowoozo ku tteeka lino kiragira ddala nti tebalisomye. N'owulira nga bagamba nti ligenda kutataganya okulwanyisa siriimu, batulageyo akawaayiro kamu mu tteeka akagamba nti siriimu tetugenda kumulwanyisa. Ekyo bakikola kagenderere. N'olwekyo mulisome, mulitegeere ate mulisomese abalala. Njagala kuddamu kubemu, tuli basanyufu era tusaba Mukama Katonda abakuume. Yanga people ye! Yanga people ye! Ra! Ra! Cha! Honorable.